What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are back in the kitchen again and we are making chicken salad. It's a completely new recipe that I've never ever tried before. This here is the chicken breast that I've been marinating for about an hour or probably more than an hour. Smells so good. I'm going to insert a clip of the spices I've used to marinate it, and I'm just going to start cooking it immediately. There's this crushed mixture of ginger and garlic I want to put in there. Sure. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Some green pepper, some chicken masala. I love this the first time I used it. It's really nice. Some black pepper, ginger, wow, the smell is so delicious. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. It's already weekend. Yes. This is a very quick recipe and it's usually recommended for like when you have leftover chicken. So you just shred your leftover chicken, you warm it and you throw it in the salad. Works perfectly. But in my case, I didn't have any leftover chicken. I'm beginning with chicken, with cooked chicken, and then doing all that, I'm gonna add in the broccoli. Then I'll just cover that up real quick and then give it a literal minute. I love this. So I want to cook them until they're just crunchy, not overly done. There's nothing as annoying as overly done greens, to be honest. Smells so good, and it's so crunchy, just how I wanted it. I'm just doing that into really small bits. This is kind of like what I'm talking about. So they are shredded, and I'm just going to throw that inside the mixing bowl. That, add the broccoli. So we are just adding everything inside right now. It's about time we started mixing up everything there. To mix it all up, I'm going in with mayo from American Garden. Just going to scoop a good size of that. Usually you can add plain yogurt if you wanna, but I wanna keep this very simple. So, and then I'm going to put a bit of some mustard sauce, just a bit, yeah, like that, and then some salt. I'm also going to add in some of the mixed herbs. These mixed herbs include thyme, basil, oregano, and all that good. Just a bit of that. You're not trying to have a half-assed salad here. So this is what we have, and it's still missing one main ingredient, the lemon. Let me get it. Squeeze an entire lemon into this glass, and this is the much juice I've got. So I'm just going to add that. Let me give it a last shake before we serve and taste and have a taste. And this is a lot. This is gonna cover me for lunch and supper, y'all. I feel like the salad could have had more color if I put in carrots and all that. I'm just not feeling carrots. Not feeling like carrots are very chewy, and I'm just not feeling like chewing carrots right now. This is what we have, you guys, and I want to give it a try. See if it's totally worth it. Let's do this. Wow, I can't believe this, guys. It's so good. It's so good. I definitely recommend this for a lazy lunch when you have leftover chicken, or if you just want to try something new, you guys. It's so good. I'm so excited. It's so nice. I'm literally going to finish it all right now, standing here in the kitchen. It's that good. And the fact that it's so healthy because I've incorporated a lot of green in it. I'm just going to settle down and eat properly like I should. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up so that I know you like these videos. You know, if you don't thumbs up, how will I know? Give me a huge thumbs up and click on subscribe, and see you guys next week. Bye.